Question number 7. Integration 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to power n dx. That is formula 0 to a f x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Zero to 1 limit and x that is equal to 1 minus x into 1 minus x is 1 minus x raised to power n dx. This formula that is equal to 0 to 1 minus x in bracket and 1 minus 1 plus x raised to power n dx. Then 1 is cancelled and integration of 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x into x raised to power n dx. That is equal to limit 0 to 1 x raised to power n multiplied by 1 is equal to x raised to power n. X raised to power n multiplied by x is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 dx. So integration of x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus integration of x raised to power n plus 1, that is x raised to power n plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 upon n plus 2. But limit lies 0 to 1. So we get upper limit 1 raised to power n plus 1, that is equal to 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 1 raised to power n plus 2, that is equal to 1 divided by n plus 2, and lower limit is 0 minus 0 implies n plus 2 multiplied by 1, n plus 2 and n plus 1 multiplied by minus 1, n plus into minus divided by n plus 1, n plus 2. N is cancelled, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon n plus 1 and n plus 2. Answer. One question is integral 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x raised to power n dx. We are using the property using the formula 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Then limit 0 to 1, a is 1 but 1 minus x in bracket 1 minus x raised to power n. Minus 1 plus 1, this is cancelled, and minus is plus x raised to power n, and we are multiplying x raised to power n into 1, that is x raised to power n, x raised to power n into x, that is x raised to power n plus 1. We are integrating x raised to power n, that is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and x raised to power n plus 1 integration is x raised to power n plus 1, that is n plus 2 divided by n plus 2, and limit lies 0 to 1. First we are putting upper limit. 1 raised to power something is 1, 1 raised to power n plus 1 is 1, 1 raised to power n plus 2 is 1, but lower limit is 0. LCM is n plus 1 and n plus 2, n plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus n plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 10. That is minus n minus 1. N is cancelled. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2. Answer. Question number 8. Integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x dx. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to limit 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We are using the rule 0 to pi upon 4 log of 1 plus tangent pi upon 4 minus x dx. We know that tan 45 degree minus x is equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b equal to limit 0 to pi upon 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x dx. Limit is 0 to pi upon 4 log of 1 plus tangent pi by 4 is 1 and this will be 1. So we get 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x dx. 1 plus tan x multiplying by 1 implies limit 0 to pi upon 4 log of 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x divided by LCM 1 plus tan x dx. That is equal to limit 0 to pi upon 4 tan x is cancelled log of 2 upon 1 plus tan x dx. Limit 0 to pi upon 4 log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b. Log of 2 minus log of 1 plus tan x dx. I is equal to 0 to pi upon 4 log of 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi upon 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. I is equal to log 2 and integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx minus limit 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. I is equal to log of 2 into integration of 1 dx is x, limit lies 0 to pi upon 4 minus this is pi. So I plus I is equal to log 2 into limit pi upon 4 minus 0, which implies 2I is equal to pi upon 4 log 2 and I is equal to pi upon 8 log 2. Answer.